What is real estate investing and why do people love this asset class? Real estate investing, guys, to me is simply you have to buy real estate but make money doing it. Now, there are multiple ways to make money in real estate, and I'm gonna talk about that right now. The first way that you buy real estate and make money is through cash flow. That's simply buying a property, renting it out, and actually turning a profit. Number two, the second way that people buy real estate is they buy it for appreciation. So sometimes you buy a property and it doesn't cash flow. Why? Because it's in an area that is very expensive to buy and the rents don't actually cover the mortgage, and you actually sometimes can be negative. So why do people buy these type of properties if they don't actually produce cash flow? Well, it's because that on the trend, every 10 years, the property doubles in value. Now that can be seen in areas like San Francisco, Seattle, some of the more metro areas where you're not really buying for the cash flow, but really you're buying it to bank that in 10 years when you sell it, it will be worth double or if not more. Now, I will give you a bonus tip. I do typically advise people not to invest this way because most of the time, guys, we need that cash flow to keep things going, and unless you have another business that's gonna be able to fund a lot of the repairs, a lot of the upkeep, and the mortgage and property tax, I don't advise you guys to invest this way. The third reason people invest in real estate, guys, is because it is a great tax tool. And if you guys are a full-time real estate professional, people buy real estate, and what they do is a cost segregation, and this allows them to massively depreciate the asset and deduct that from their personal income. Now this, guys, if you're making $1 million and let's say you get a $500,000 depreciation, you could save hundreds of thousands of dollars to the IRS. This is something that Donald Trump used, and this is something that a lot of the rich and wealthy do to not pay taxes. And guys, real estate investing is that simple. So again, just to reemphasize, people buy for cash flow, people buy for appreciation, and people buy for depreciation or tax benefits. That's simple. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this guy sparks your interest to get into real estate investing. And if you want to learn more, hit that subscribe button because we're dropping daily videos. And if you want to know a little bit more about who I am, make sure to watch this video right here.